Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to work with the byte streams. See, byte streams are mainly used to work with binary files. Binary files means what? Such as images, audio files, video files and all. See, in this series of videos I clearly explained about how to work with the text files. Text files such as using the classes, file reader class and file writer class. One is for reading and one is for writing. Right here it is a two methods are present. One is a read method and the second one is a write method. Using these character streams classes, you cannot work with binary files, images, audio files, video files and all. We can't use. So to work with the binary files, two classes they have given. One is a file input stream for reading. Second one is a file output stream for writing. Remember, once you read the data from the image file, you cannot display on the console. On black screen, you cannot display. So that's why here in this example, what I'm going to explain, just copy image, writing the contents of one file into another file. Copy from one file to another file. One file to another file. Directly I will use in this one. Okay. So let me explain first how to download image and how to work with all these things I'll explain. Just go to first, just go to Google. Any image, for example, images. Any one image we download. Any one image. Suppose this is the simple image we are downloading. Just save image on my in my D drive. I am downloading. Just giving that ABC. That's it. ABC. That image downloaded. You just go and check image, and the file is important. Which type the file it is? JPG file. Extensions are very important. Then only we can understand. Now let me write the code. Suppose here it is. First I am taking that file input stream. We know the concept. File input stream. Suppose source I am taking null. I don't want to handle any exception. I just want to use throws exception, but I want to close properly. If source not equals to null, simply source dot close. Simply source dot close. The file is closed. Here I'm just writing source is equals to new file input stream in D drive. The file is there. What is the file name? abc.jpg file is there. Once file opened, how to read the data from the file? Same one, read method only. It will read until it reaches end of the file. Collecting everything, ch is equals to, from the source we are reading, until it is not equals to -1. But remember, don't dare to print. Don't dare to print. So why the reason? Because it is an image. System.out.print means it will display on the console. See, image, every pixel it will write like this. Every pixel. So instead of doing this, what we have to do? Take file output stream. output stream, destination equals to null, source to destination, new file output stream in D drive only, something like I'm creating xyz.jpg file. Into the same type of file, we are writing destination.write. The same thing we are writing. Once the contents has been copied, just we are giving the message image copied. Image copied. This is the simple way of doing it. Now, finally, we need to close also. If destination is not equals to null, and we are closing that destination dot close. Run this. Image copied successfully. We already discussed in write mode, even though the file is not there, it will create the file. Look at this, the file created with the name XYZ. If you open the same file copied, this is the simple way of working with the binary files in Java. Using file input stream, you can read the data. Using file output stream, you can write the data. Okay, hope you understood. Please subscribe.